What's going on, guys? As you saw in the last video, we got some new wheels for the Tacoma. Got them mounted up, and last night we had our second meet that we co-hosted. The truck did good, but I did not have time to roll the fenders, and as of last night we realized that we definitely need to roll the fenders, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. And then once I do that, I will show you guys what the truck looks like. But as for right now, we're going to, I got the truck set up on jack stands and everything, and I'm going to show you guys maybe just a little bit on how to roll these fenders. If you guys aren't familiar with it, I've got just this Eastwood fender roller, but as you can see, or maybe you can see, she was doing a little bit of scrubbing up here. I kind of banged it out a little bit just to get a little bit more clearance, but turning, it definitely scrubs the side of this, the fender lip. So we're gonna take care of that today. Now normally on a nicer car, I would do this and worry about the paint a little bit, but obviously this truck's gonna get painted hopefully this year, maybe next year, but I'm not too worried about the paint and the chips and everything. It's, you know, it's a really crappy single stage paint job anyways. So yeah, and then I also, when I was at the meet, someone brought up something good I figured I'd address. They were asking why, or what I was doing with this truck so low in the front. It's basically looks like it's sitting on bags, but we basically just did that for the wow factor for right now. But I did pick up from a guy on Instagram. His name's MJB Taco. He makes these adapter plates that you can weld in or just bolt in. There's a collar, I don't know if you can see it, where the coil, or where the coil sits. You just cut that off and then put these plates in, and you can use 69, I believe it's 69 Camaro QA1 coilovers. I'm probably not gonna make a video on that just because he already has a video, and I'll let him, we'll put a link to that if you guys have a first gen Tacoma and you're looking to get some kind of coilovers. I believe he's the only one who makes them. I could be wrong, but he's the only person that I could find, and I did just DM him on Instagram. I'll leave that for you guys if you happen to have a Tacoma and need some coilovers. So right now I'm gonna roll these, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so I think we got this pretty good. I don't know if you guys can tell this nice, well, maybe not nice, it is a little bit bacon. I'm not the best, but I can at least do something. But so it's got this little bit of flare on it now. I think that's gonna be good. I didn't need it all the way down. It was more or less just rubbing right at the top here. So like I said, not the best, but should get the job done. I'm gonna do the other side. I don't think you guys really need to see that. I'm gonna get that all set up and then go take it for a test drive. Unfortunately, that's kind of the only way that you can really tell if this is gonna work or not. You gotta keep, you know, roll it a little bit, take it for a test drive, see what scrubs. I do the same thing with the top. If you're getting a little bit scrubs over like bumps or anything, I like to take it for a test drive, and then what I'll do is you can see where it starts rubbing. What I'll do is I'll take some spray paint and paint that, go for a drive, hit some bumps, let it scrub a little bit, and then, you know, bring it back and see what we need to pound out. Maybe not necessarily the best thing to do or the most professional, I guess, but this truck, keep in mind, it's gonna be just a drift truck. Obviously we got a long way to go. We gotta weld the diff and everything like that, but yeah, we are gonna put coilovers on it and make it not so unfunctional. Like I said, we did this truck kind of from the ground up just to go to grid life last year. That's why it's kind of a little bit ridiculous and unfunctional, but we're gonna get it back to functional. And one thing to note too, these wheels were not intended for this truck. They were for the Nissan, but unfortunately I think the Nissan's gonna be down for a little bit longer, and I just didn't want them sitting here wasting, so we're gonna put a little bit of work into making them fit for the truck, and then maybe do a little bit of honing, who knows. All right, just got finished it up, rolling both sides. Just looking pretty good so far. I'm not gonna show you guys just yet the whole truck. I'm gonna take it for a test drive right now, and we'll see what we got. Alright guys, just took it for a test drive. Everything seems to be good. The only thing I got is a little bit of scrub at full lock on the passenger side, but other than that, it turned out really good, I think. So, yeah. What do you think, Minnie? Do you approve? I think that's a yes. We just got back from taking the truck over to Grand Haven. kind of its main voyage since I tweaked everything. Truck did really good. Didn't have any real issues. About the only thing that happened was somebody pulled out in front of me. So if you live in Grand Haven and drive a Lexus SUV, I'm coming for you. I'm just kidding. Or am I? Otherwise, yeah. Thanks for watching. And before I forget, I just wanted to let you guys know that we are working on new merch. Right now I'm wearing one of them. So hopefully this stuff will be available soon. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody so far that supported us, friends, family, kind of just still getting stuff going. So we appreciate your patience. And yeah, like I said, if you got any questions on anything that we did in this video or previous videos, just leave a comment. We try to respond, and hopefully we can address. If we don't address it in the comments, we will try to address stuff in other videos. So yeah, appreciate it, and I guess we'll see you next time.